Changing your password on Amazon is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to securely update your account password. Step 1. Sign in. Go to the Amazon website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your current email address and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to your account. Once signed in, hover over the Accounts and Lists option at the top right corner of the page. Click on your account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Access Login and Security. In your account section, look for the Login and Security option. Click on it to proceed to the password change settings. Step 4. Change your password. Find the password section and click on the Edit button next to it. Enter your current password, then type in your new password and confirm it by typing it again. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new password, click on the Save Changes button. You will receive a confirmation that your password has been updated successfully. Now you can log in with your new password. Remember to keep your password secure and consider using a password manager for added protection.